Alright. As we told you guys, boys and girls, yeah, Pat Bottom Kitchen again. You don't know how the thing's set up already. As we say, we're in Port Antonio, we're in Portland again, and we find the man we've been searching for years. We can't find him, and now we get right in his kitchen, in his backyard, and the man, none other than Mr. Thompson, When you know Mr. Thompson, Daddy D's. Now we're at Daddy D's place. As we say, we go by the river, we go by the falls, and we show you around the man area, how the man area stay. Now we're at Daddy D's place, and this is what's happening inside Daddy D's place. Today, Daddy D is going to show us how the gizzarda business sort out. Yeah? Full Jamaican gizzarda. Yeah? And when we say Daddy D's, all of the people out there who know Daddy D's are from Portland, original Portlander, original baker, the #1 man we all our way as picnic grew up with. Yes, right now we're in a place, and Mr. Thompson, Daddy D's, everybody know. You remember Daddy D's up on the front of West Street, man? Everybody know Daddy D's going down, right in front of Coronation Bakery. Yes, a theme place there today, and a theme thing we have featured today, and we are talking about man who know about bakings. Yes, and them do the thing from the grassroots. I saw them gonna deal with the thing. As we say, Pat Bottom Kitchen. We take it to your kitchen. We take the pot to your kitchen, and we go to the Pat Bottom. Alright? So we inside Daddy D's place. And Daddy D's, I go start out some gizzarda for you. Alright, as we mentioned, gizzarda, Daddy D's, I go start out for you today. Okay? And here we go. First thing, we get the coconut and we go wash it. We wash out the coconut. Set up for wash. Yes, Mr. Thompson, there, see him there? Say hello, Mr. Thompson. And welcome to Pat Bottom Kitchen. Enough respect. Here we go. Are the boss, Are the big man right there, sir? Yes. Yes, Mr. Thompson, that right there, sir. The man named Daddy D's. Never see Daddy D's before? Daddy D's in action. Today Daddy D I gonna make, the real thing. The real thing also. Yes, man. See, man? I tell you, we have to grate the coconut first. As you say, see that? Coconut are grated. Yes, man. And so we do it. Gizzarda we make. And the Thompson grate the coconut. And from the coconut we move on to something else. What are the ingredients, Mr. Thompson, inside gizzarda? What are the ingredients that take this thing so nice?
Alright, we have the real Jamaican coconut, the real native Jamaican coconut.
The man said native. Coconut. Beautiful.
When I use the hybrid and
right. We grade that.
Yeah.
See there?
And then we add some ginger.
And we add the ginger upon this. This thing when we're done.
Yeah.
That thing at the pan, we put some ginger upon it. Alright? And then what we are going to put it on the fire.
Yes. Then
we
get the good old Jamaican
see there?
ginger.
So we have the good old stone ginger there. Look on it. Stone ginger, see there?
We'll clean them up.
Alright, Mr. Thompson, I'll clean up that. And we'll get back to him in a minute. Okay, yes. The next step now. The boss having ginger, See the ginger there? Yes, so Mr. Thompson, now we have a rose water, yes? You have a rose water and almond blend. Almond and rose water, this one, okay? Then you have the vanilla. Alright, we have to come with the vanilla, the good old vanilla, full vanilla, whatever brand you guys want to use. But we use vanilla in everything, okay? Mr. Thompson use vanilla, alright? Then you have the nutmeg, the maize of the nutmeg, see it right there, sir? These are the maize right there. Nutmeg, maize, and you grate some nutmeg and you put in the thing, and up and running, alright? Today I gizzarda there, the Daddy D kitchen, okay? And we say Pat Bottom. Tell him, sir, Pat Bottom, sir. What we say?
Pat Bottom we say,
Alright, Pat Bottom. Straight to the Pat Bottom.
Yeah, man, the original Daddy D and Pat Bottom.
Pat Bottom kitchen. So back in the days, people remember Daddy D's are the boss. This when you talk about cocoa bread, when you talk about gizzarda, when you talk about patty, when you talk about plantain tart, Park School days.
Add this now to the pot.
Alright, so we're going to reach a point now where we're going to add this to the mixture. All of the mixture go in one little container, yes?
Yeah, man.
And then
I'll put allspice.
Yeah, man. So we have the allspice there. Allspice ingredients. Yes, sir. Alright.
Alright, that's the allspice.
Allspice, see that?
Alright, mixed spice.
Right, mixed spice, that are nutmeg and cinnamon.
Yeah.
People are nutmeg and cinnamon that, you know?
A pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt. Yes, I have to put a pinch of salt. Good. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Daddy D's we say. And here we go with the
Almond
liquid
mix.
now. Almond mix with rose water.
Yeah, rose water and almond.
Rose water and almond. Yes. Just 2 little teaspoon. Alright. Good to go.
And then we put vanilla.
And you have the vanilla now. The Thompson put in vanilla now. Yeah. Vanilla that now. Alright.
And then we put nutmeg.
And then you have the nutmeg. You grate the nutmeg and you probably you don't put the maize. You put the maize now.
No.
Maize not going to just the good nutmeg himself. He might grate it. Grate the nutmeg, you know that? A little dust. Just a little dust. Alright. So that's your allspice. And that's the ingredients right there.
Yes.
Yes, this is the filling we are building now. I build the filling for the gizzarda. We'll stir him around. So we stir him around there. Right.
Keep on the fire.
And then we go over to the gas. We go over to the gas. And we put him on the fire. Yes, Mr. Thompson. See we there? Put him on the fire now.
Yeah.
So we have a big.
Put the water.
Alright. There you go. Then the people that we are talking about. See that? Yes.
I'll make him cook.
Alright, so you make him simmer down
Yeah.
to a boil. When you to a boil, we'll come back to your Pat Bottom kitchen, okay? So here we go. Okay, here we go. We're gonna make the dough. Okay?
With a tablespoon of butter.
This is a ladder butter.
Shortening, vegetable
Shortening, vegetable shortening.
Yeah,
Tablespoon.
Yeah.
Bam.
And a tablespoon of
Tablespoon of butter.
Margarine, yeah.
Margarine. The good old margarine, yes? Alright, these are the dough, gentle people. Alright, these are counter flour, yes?
yeah.
Counter flour, so we're going to diff it.
Incorporate.
This some more, aye. Incorporate together, diff it. Lift up your hand and diff it, you get a better crust. I saw them saying the thing, yes, see that? Yes, man.
Fingertip.
Fingertip works. Yeah, when we talk to now, we are telling about the bars. The bars of pastry. The bars of pastry. You see him beard? He look like a Rasta man, don't? Yes, man, that's the real thing. The real man, this, we call him Daddy D's. See me? I'm the writer, so. Yes. Give a little water upon that.
Yeah, a pinch of salt.
And a pinch of salt.
The salt, you know.
The salt's supposed to there. Oh, you put it again. Yeah, man, inside there, sir. Aye.
Yeah, a pinch of salt, you know.
Pinch of salt, yes. Alright.
And then
And you have
water.
a little water to damp. There you go. And you go diff him now. Diff him up. Diff him, yes. I think you have some coloring. What color you put on it?
Egg yellow powder.
Egg yolk.
Egg yellow
Egg
powder.
yellow powder. Okay, egg yellow powder.
The food coloring.
Food coloring. Egg yellow powder. Okay. See there? Yeah, man. So this is the gizzarda thing, you know, telling people. The gizzarda do this.
For a few minutes.
Alright.
That's it.
That rest for a few minutes. After rest for a few minutes, come with the original part now.
Yeah, man.
Are you the yolk already? No, you don't do it.
Yeah, man.
The yolk, okay, cool. Alright. Alright, after that now we add the yolk. See there? Is that the one to raise up? Rise. Put it for rise for 5-10 minutes. At least 15 minutes to put it for rise up. And here we go. See the product there? Yes. So we're going to pin him now. Roll him and pin him out. Alright. 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 If you don't know, it's a pure metal the boss use. Look on it good. This is a metal. It's not a wood, you know. It's a metal. You see it? Pipe. How much inch pipe that? The boss got the hardware and the boss buy a piece of inch and a half pipe for your rolling pin. Understand? So that's how the boss thing set up. So this piece of pipe now come with the weight and everything. So you don't have to use much energy. See it's shiny and pretty? Years it's a rolling pin. Years. Years on top of years that piece of rolling pin I go on. Alright. Natural steel upon the countertop now. I roll off. And see cutter there now? We talk about original, you know. Look. See cut in there? Press him. Turn him. Out and back. See there? Press him. Turn him. Out. Yes, sir. So, Mr. Thompson, originally, tell me a little about your history, man. Tell me a little about your history, how your things start and how your things set up. How your things start, naturally. Give me a little history, man. Because I'm going to tell you from when I know you. I know you from, what I say now, Delmar Theatre days, you know. When you're a young man. I mean, a little bit of pitney. And then you're a young man. Delmar Theatre days. That's how you go, boss?
Yeah, yeah.
Delmar Theatre. Jungle people remember a little top shop where they had Delmar Theatre? Remember, Daddy D usually run after like a top shop there. The same start him thing. Yeah, man. Then fire him from inside of the theatre and then get a work outside. Can you believe that? Same theatre, you know. But then get a job outside of the theatre. In the tuck shop. Then fire him from inside. Because the boss decides, so boy, if you know what me people in place when move you over, and you know what happened. The life goes on. The boss will fire him. Come back and see me in place the next man, the man a big baker, which you never know. I say, come Mr. Thompson.
Yeah.
Yes, some Mr. Thompson things set up.
Yeah, I know to work at the theatre, sweep on the theatre, around inside.
Aye.
So, I used to go around the back.
Mm-hmm.
Because the theatre back and the ice cream parlour back.
Right.
Up in one.
There you go.
So, I used to go around there when we finished sweep on the theatre and help a brother named Kenneth Taxter.
Kenneth Taxter, yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, I could eat 2 party and they never used to get paid, but I eat 2 party and
Yeah.
you know, when they're baking cake in the spirit of the mixing bowl and put it on condensed pan and
Okay. So that's your thing really start.
Yeah.
Leftover dough.
Yeah.
Leftover dough you put in a oven. Side of the man cake on and look at something there.
When you be a patty done and the scraps is like them there.
Yeah, put it.
Man make me one.
Make your own patty.
Some big something, so you know.
Uh-huh.
You know.
Okay.
Yeah, so I know something said.
And this is your thing start.
Yeah man.
Until me I tell you become a trademark
You know.
in the parish of Portland. Trust me. Because everybody know Daddy D. Who don't know Daddy D? Tell me. Who don't know Daddy D patty? Who don't know Daddy D meatloaf, cocoa bread, Daddy D plantain tart? Come on. Talk to me, people. Well, Mr. Thompson is. Yeah, man, and he move on from this, you know, from this, him got Oasis City Center Plaza, no, sir?
Yes.
Oasis City Center Plaza with the Chinese them. Yes, the same Chinese man, different people.
No, man, we left us go one whole place, man.
Yeah, when you left the start, where you going? The Chinese man, you go next?
No.
No, I never say you go next.
We left and go down at the bottom, down at the parlour. Parlour.
Okay.
Down by the corner West Street.
And
West Street and Harbour Street.
Western Harbour Street.
Yeah, the corner Western Harbour
Yes.
Street. You know, so.
When you say Western Harbour Street, now, guys, we're not talking about downtown Kingston, we're talking about Port Antonio.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so Port Antonio set up.
This is where the digital building there now.
Right. Aye, right at the building there.
Yeah, man.
Right at post office corner.
Yeah.
Yes. That's how Oasis is there, Daddy, back in the days, remember?
Yeah.
Oasis and Miss Anna, you'd have one batter there.
Yeah, man.
You remember?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we are talking about them days there. And you have a little snack shop parlor around on the side.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
Miss Miller, right? And Miss Miller there.
Yes, Miss Miller, the drone.
Alright, Miss Miller, hairdresser, right?
Yeah.
Beauty salon.
Yeah, man.
Top beauty salon of the days, you know.
Yeah,
The lady still around, Miss Miller?
Yeah, man. The lovely.
There you go, Miss Miller. Big up Miss Miller. Yes, people, big up Miss Miller for true. Yeah, man. Miss Miller, you remember Daddy days? Yeah, man. See me? My doing thing.
Oh, yeah. listen, I'm good friend.
Yeah, at your party. Yes, man. Yeah, man, as we say, we're in a Daddy D place. And we are doing Gizzada. Bakings, we say. The right type place, I do the thing. And jungle people, this is the man. This man is the man. What we know about. If any 70s baby, you go Park School, Mr. Thompson, Daddy D's. See me? Any 70s baby, see the boss here, will take care of the thing. Yes, Daddy D's. We knew him from Park School too. Right, Daddy D's?
Yes, I.
Park School.
No, I think that Park School, you didn't divide the name.
Give in Daddy D's?
Yeah.
Alright, Park School days. So if you guys don't remember Park School and Daddy D's.
Yeah, but that's something you don't remember the name right now, but with a group of them. Yeah, man.
And the name just stuck, just
You
text
see,
it.
After me divide the name, you know, when them come the first time, them never did them to Mr. B. And after about a week, 2 weeks, them draw some cartoon, character, come pin up in the shop.
Okay.
Mr. D, Patty Nice, and
That's how you go.
yeah. So
Just like that.
after them pass the exam to go teach field now.
You go for teach field too?
Then say, Mr. D,
You
come
come for it.
at teach field with me.
Alright. Guys, you remember that days, them time when I said Daddy, you ever come and teach field with you know?
So we say, alright.
Yes.
So we get a carrier bicycle, and we write Daddy Deep on it, and you and you to ride to go up there. You know?
Okay, here we go. This is called the pinching now. This is the pinching of the dough, and this is where we set the cup. Right, that is it?
Yeah.
For the filling.
Yeah,
Right here, see that? Right there we do the cup for the filling. We call it the pinching. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much edges? 6 edges.
Between 6 and 7 depends.
Look on it. See this? And you can man do it easy. Yes, man. And some people do it smaller too.
Yeah.
Yes. But it's a Daddy D's way. Yes? This is Daddy D's thing right here. Yeah, man. Yes, Mr. Thompson. So, as we say, you forgot to teach you. You have come up and deal.
Yes, just like come and teach field too.
Right.
So maybe the carrier bicycle and with a nice box put inside of it. And write Daddy Deep on it. And get a you to ride it. Go up there.
Good.
You know, so.
And then you still around the shop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we really appreciate them youth there still, you know.
Yes.
Whole of Park School youth them.
Them days there.
Yeah, them days there. 1983.
Listen. The class of 83. Yes, Park School. You remember? The class of 83, Park School.
83, 84, right.
83, 84, 85.
Yeah.
Daddy D's, Park School.
You know.
Yes, the boss him appreciate when they give him the name in the 80s and it him a live on
Yeah,
with
man,
until
work
now.
with, man.
Until now, Daddy, you left up a teach field because you left up a school one time we didn't see you. And we end up after you left up a school because we don't see you after that.
No.
You're down in the town now.
Yeah, like a political place down in the town. It couldn't accommodate the things that we used to care about at Litchfield. Like the table and the, you know what I mean, the different stuff. And there wasn't enough space.
Okay, cool.
So I have to just forget about up at school.
And just do your thing now about time.
Yeah, concentrate down.
Yeah, so what year open the restaurant? What year really get involved in the restaurant? Down.
Alright. No, alright. What I did, we moved the pastry from Prospect, where I started.
Yes.
West Street.
To West Street.
Yeah.
Alright.
And I continued the pastry for a few years. And then had,
Addition.
yes, there was another place beside me for rent. So I have to rent it also.
Okay.
See?
At a downtown on West Street there.
Yeah, man.
I remember, man.
Bakery.
What that man name again, man?
Mr. Diggs, Michael Diggs.
Michael Dibbs, man. Dibbs building. Daddy did that control the weather building the people. Remember? Because me gonna make you know now. This is the first man employ me, you know. Me make you know now. Well, I'm not the first man, but I man when me say, boy, listen, boss man, me need to work with you, you know, because more and ton of waiter, you know. And I say, I want to do the waiter work. And the boss asked me, say, you have black shirt and black pants? Right at the step, I remember. And I say, yes, boss. I never have none, you know. But I can't come look work and have nothing. So I have to tell the boss, yes. So me tell the boss, yes, and guess what happened now? Me go look, go hustle a little thing and get the money. Them time that hustling days, you know. When we get the money and we say, alright, I go buy piece of something to make on black pants. Me have white shirt because when I left school, a white shirt me I wear. So me have enough white shirts. So me never have no problem with white shirt. But me never have no black pants like that. Alright? My church pants get tight already, so I couldn't wear again. Yes, church days. So Daddy D now decides to now. If I them days I could have wear because tight pants I wear now. But Daddy D said, boy, I get on black pants. And the man give me my first job. Genuine waiter work. Yes, Daddy D restaurant. Me and Snolly. What the guy the right name? Ian? What the right? Gary. Gary, what his last name?
Olget.
Gary Olget, man. That you don't live at free school, right?
Yeah.
He was living in, yeah. Yeah, man, he may live up Arts Avenue there. Snolly. Where is now?
Is
that Brad?
See mother, a couple of years away. You know what, smaller.
Oh, Snolly. Hey, Snolly, big up yourself wherever you are, man. Snolly, Daddy D's. Yes, man. Yeah, man, a Benkel again. You know, you don't know. Benkel, remember that name there? Alright, so you know we now left for Daddy D's an inch. And the man take us through our struggling, you know. So see him right there, so. Man, still a rolling pin. Yeah, man, Daddy D take us through our struggles, man, in the younger days, you know. And show we road and say, yo, do road youth. Yeah, man, I'm back on him, back.
Yes, Gary, the way it is, no respect, you know.
Yeah, big up.
Yeah,
big up Gary, man. Gary's.
Yeah, put that guy there.
Alright. Daddy D have to make yourself know, you know. Where you say, big up who?
Gary.
Talk loud.
Yeah, man, big up Gary Olget, man.
Alright, big up Gary Olget. Because as we say, these things, if you like them things in it, you know you got to touch it if you like it, and you got to subscribe. And when you subscribe, you ring that bell and we'll buy your doorstep in a minute, alright? So let us know what's happening, man. You know, Snolly, Pat Bottom Kitchen with it. And you know, so our Ben Keller run Pat Bottom Kitchen. And today we inside Daddy D's place. And we are taking it to take it to the world, okay? Make you know, so we are taking it to the world. Alright? Daddy D's on top again. Don't forget, as we say, you see, we shall Daddy D live now, you know. Daddy D have falls. Him have accommodation. You know, one of them days when in business start up on it, you're going to make you know what I go on. You're going to send it to a pound, you know. I'm going to run a video upon that and make you know what I go on at Daddy D's place. Daddy D have accommodation, can take probably 10-15 guests at any given time. So you stay tuned and we keep you posted on that. Keep you posted on that one because Daddy D's again. And we're going to take it to all of you guys who know the man. Okay? Yes, man. So as we said, we are in the pastry shop and we're doing our thing. Alright, another batch of rolls again. Yes, sir. That is, you know, you tell me so now, patty definitely never come original like how they make it now.
No.
Give me the story on that because you have the in-depth. You have the in-depth on that. How the patty really, original Jamaican patty, how that really go?
Okay. In Port Antonio, I don't know how it was elsewhere.
Elsewhere. Mm-hmm.
In Port Antonio.
In Port Antonio, yes.
1994. 1964.
1964.
When I can remember when I get my first job at Anna's Parlor.
Anna's Parlor, right. There was a man there.
Yeah, man. The owner was what him did name now?
Which country you come from? My Greek? Where am I?
I think he was a Syrian.
Syrian. Alright, the Syrian man there.
It's a Anna.
Okay.
DF Anna.
DF Anna, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Him are the original patty man from Portland.
Yeah.
I'm sure you've made patty.
One of them.
One of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
They used to do it on Tom Lee. It is a time.
I remember Tom Lee, no?
Yeah, Tom Lee used to do it.
Yes, I remember Tom Lee.
You know?
So what's the significance what him usually do when really go on now?
The shape was different.
The shape was different?
Yes.
What shape did it have?
It had a triangle.
A triangle, that's a three sides.
Three sides.
Ah.
Alright.
So now we have a half moon now.
It was like this.
Alright.
You put the filling in and you do it like this.
Oh. It look like a wonton.
Yes, so it had this shape.
Look, the Jamaican original patty of Portland we know. Other shape they used to have. If anybody remember, used to have that shape. See that shape here?
You know?
Yes, from 1964 when we start do the patty
When
business.
I get involved. You know?
Yes, when Daddy D get involved, patty was like this,
This was
looking
the
like
shape, the
this.
shape it had.
Yeah? And it was only beef patty, right?
Yes.
Right, and nowadays
Yes,
we have all kind of patty nowadays. Yeah, hey, that's unique, man. Look at that, guys. It was like that, you know.
Put it in the warmer, put it stand up.
Put it in the warm and you put it stand up like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Side and side.
Yeah.
Oh, got you. Yes, guys. So that's the original patty shape. Look on it. See that again? Original Jamaican patty shape. Remember me telling you, when me say what? Original Jamaican patty shape from back in the days. And Daddy there show you everything. So that's how it was. We're talking about 50 years ago. Yeah, man. 2000 we don't know, right, Dads? 2020. Yeah, man. We are talking about 50 years ago.
Yeah, man.
And then we are talking about 50 odd years ago.
14, 15, let's say.
Yeah, man. Them time we are talking about from way back.
Mm.
Okay. So here we go again. We're going to do some more filling now. We are getting involved and we're going to creep those. Yeah. Put the wash around it.
And the water this way.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Edges.
Right. See that? Yeah, because you know some people, you know, I'm telling the people them might do, this is coconut water, I'm making you know, coconut water.
Yeah, man.
Coconut water, alright? So what we do, the coconut water we take and creep the edge. Back in the days when we got some place, man, I use egg white, egg yellow, and I beat up and I put pan pastry. That not going to Daddy D place.
Oh, and everybody eat egg.
And everybody eat egg.
Everybody eat egg.
You understand? So Daddy D ban egg out time place like that. So if we do the thing, we do the thing the real way. So we have the coconut water we break from the coconut and do the mixture. Yeah, and creep the end of the thing. We polish it with coconut water around it and we get a good sweetness and all of that. Yes, man. Yes. So I say thing go. That's unique, guys. Look at that. Alright. Beautiful. We're going to plant tart after this. Alright. And you're going to do, today we're going to do planting tart too. Well, I just get that information. We're going to do some planting tart. So when you filling start again, that Mr. Thompson, we'll get back on the video, alright? Because we have the cripping already, so we'll get the filling after this, okay? Yeah. Alright. Pat Bottom, we'll come back to you in a minute, okay? We will be right back. Pat Bottom Kitchen, all the way. This is the part now where we lay everything inside the tin sheet, yeah? Yes, everything inside the tin sheet now. And what we're going to do? You see them pretty? The filling that we built earlier on, look at it. There we go. That's the filling, yeah?
Punch on the bottom so that you don't get ear pocket.
There you go. Before the ear pop, you know, you don't want to get the thing all over the thing, so punch at them. Use your fork and you punch at the hole. Another thing. So you know what happens after you punch at the hole, you don't get ear, pack. There you go and burst. Alright, here we go. Alright, so this is how the filling gonna see me? Same filling like we made. Remember the filling that we made? Yes, here we go. Yes, man. Put them for cool. And here we go. Desire. Daddy D Gizada, guys, you know. So like how much one Gizada now, Daddy D? A long time you don't see Gizada on the market, you know.
Yeah. Well, right now, me sell a packet with 150.
A package?
Two.
A package of two?
Yeah.
2 night?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, 2 of these goodness. Two of these goodness now. Two of these 150. Yes?
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. And as we say, guys, you know, see, it's an artificial food, a real food we are doing. When we do this now, guys, you know, so this is going to be 30 minutes in the oven. Yes, man, 30 minutes in the oven. And that 30 minutes is 30 minutes of the greatest minutes I've ever been making the oven, you know. Because that coconut and it get caramel and it began to get crispy, the dough and all of that, you know. Yes. You know, the goodness.
Coconut get toasted.
Yeah, the coconut get toasted again. Yes. As we say, we can tell them again, Daddy D place with it. Alright, so we'll get back to you again in a minute or two with the finishing product coming out of the oven, okay? So Pat Bottom Kitchen, talk to it. Yes? I know if you like things, you know, whenever you want to feel things and you like things, you got to touch it. And if you want to feel it, you got to touch it, Pat Bottom Kitchen. And when you touch it, you will feel it. And if you want to feel it, you got to touch it, right? In other words, touch that bell, notification, you know, and bang bang by your doorstep in a minute. Alright, Pat Bottom Kitchen. So we have it. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later when we get this thing out of the oven. Coming out of the oven, I'm going to give you the finishing product, okay? Alright, Pat Bottom Kitchen. To the world. Open up sesame, Mr. Thompson. Here we go. This is the, as we say, this is the finishing product now. Here we go. Look at that. Guys, look at that. We're talking about gizzarda to the eyes level right there. Yeah? Gizzarda right here to the eyes level. That's 30 minutes of goodness. Look at it. Yes, sir. 30 minutes of goodness. Gizzarda. Out of the oven, ready to go. Guys, that flavor. Yummy, yummy. That flavor, man. That flavor, that's what we're looking for. Longing to get that flavor, Mr. Thompson. Yeah. Come and hit the jackpot tonight. Yeah, man. You know the baker shop. Yes, you're in the baker shop. And you know what one. Gizzarda is out. Alright, so we're going to put them to cool now. Yes, man. We're going to put them to cool now. Gizzarda, guys. Remember Gizzarda? We show you it make. Pat Bottom Kitchen. Here we go. Mr. Thompson Place. Daddy D's. Yeah. Daddy D's taking it to the world again. So, you know how things set up, guys. Alright. Right now, we get a customer. And this is what the business is like. From the Pat Bottom to the another customer. Yeah? Daddy D's live and in living colors within Gizzarda. We got two customers. Here we go. Alright. What's your name?
Jada.
Hi Jada. Welcome to Pat Bottom Kitchen, sir. Welcome to Pat Bottom Kitchen. Say it.
Hi.
Welcome to Pat Bottom Kitchen. Hi.
Welcome to
Pat Bottom Kitchen. Say it.
Pat Bottom.
Welcome to Pat Bottom.
There you go. You're going to be on YouTube one of these days, okay? And what's your name?
Taj Mali.
Taj Mali.
Taj Mali.
Taj Mali. Okay, Taj Mali. Welcome to Pat Bottom Kitchen.
Pat Bottom.
Kitchen. Yes.